Hey guys, Foxlime here. Tonight I'm going to be playing some more Metal Gear Solid side missions. Once again, if you want me to play any of the main story, I'll have to go back and do it because I've kind of done a little bit of it. Actually, I've done a lot of it. I'm already at Act 2. But if you want me to do any of the main story and record doing it, let me know in the comments and I'll do it. But tonight I'm going to be going to... What am I doing? Uh-oh. Oh, that's taken care of.
Detected. The map has been updated.
Back to what I was doing. I am going to be...
Please
Wrong one.
select a mission.
I'm going to be going and getting this IR sensor
Marker
blueprint.
placed.
I didn't do it. But yes, that's what I'm going for. It's in this little area right hither. So, I got my Jeep. That wasn't me, I swear. I swear it wasn't me. That was like that when I got there. Let's mosey on down the road and go and get this, this old dango IR sensor. Oh, why do y'all have to be up in the... What? What? What is going on?
Presence detected. The map has been updated.
I want to put one to sleep.
Guard post captured.
Wow. I upgraded my gun,
The map
so
has been updated.
it's actually really cool. Is he gonna like go through the thing? Oh my lord, he's going through the tent. Bye. Bye, dude. Okay.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been
Oh
updated.
man, this is...
You have arrived at your destination.
This is intense. There'll be a lot of editing. Kind of don't want to edit too much. I want to show like everybody how I play this. No, I'm not. You don't see me. Okay. Nope. No. Stop with the grenades. Wow, well, that failed. Oh, the stair. There's a freaking... That's why... Oh, lord it! I don't even know where it's at. No. What? Nice. Alright. Let's take out this helicopter now. With 7 bullets. Oh my goodness. It's like we're taking a helicopter out with a sniper. Except we're not taking a helicopter out with a sniper. Ah! Oh my god! Oh, that's awesome! Straight headshot to the face. Ow! What? Okay, now I need to find this. Hello. Thank you for not shooting me. I just need to find it. Hey, you over there! Look at that decoy, just sitting there. I missed again. Gotta suck. Ah! Jeez, my aim is terrible. Thank God I have a semi-automatic. I kind of want to go back to the bolt action, but I don't know. I might actually do it. Ah, my lord, where's it at? Is it down here? There. Woo. Okay, well, it's not down there. Let's mosey on back this way. Alright. If I was an IR thingy-majig, where would I be? Oh, nice. Wow, I'm even out of the thing. The range. Maybe up here. Maybe. Perhaps. Could be. Possibly. Climb through the wall. Not the wall, but the... Oh, I got a suppressor. Oh, another tape too. Sweet. Oh no, not the final countdown.
Side ops list.
Please tell me
updated.
it's not the actual final countdown.
Extraction
I'm gonna
arrived
cry.
At Mother Base.
Alright. Now let's call a helicopter. And get out of here.
Support helicopter requested.
I've done too much damage here as it is. It's time for me to go. There's actually another side mission that I want to get. It's in this. It's in Afghanistan. Where is it? I think it's the UA drone. Yeah.
Arriving shortly at LZ.
Marker placed.
Run. Ah, see. D-Dog knew what was up. He's like, ha, you gotta go around, stupid. Fine. Now he's chewing me out. He was like, ha, I beat you. No treat for you, bad dog. I mean, good dog. Sorry. Hurry up.
Gaining altitude.
Bye, Afghanistan. Actually, I'm coming back, but I'm just going to my helicopter, my air base, so I can redeploy somewhere. Ooh, look at butt cam. Hey there, Mr. Rock. Bye, Mr. Rock. Go ahead and get my sniper rifle up, because I know I'm going to use it. I'm pretty good at sniping in a lot of games. Like, if I play, what's it called? If I play Left 4 Dead 2, I always have the sniper rifle. And it's kind of weird because everybody's like, why don't you use the machine gun or the shotgun? You get kills so much faster. Actually, I get a lot of kills with the sniper rifle as well. It's kind of fun. I have a friend that I play with, and we always take the sniper rifle and just go nuts. Alright, where are we going? Last time I got... Oh, God! Jeep, no! Come back. Yay, you're not gonna blow up on me. D-Dog was like, what the hell? Okay, we're going this way. Going the right way. My Jeep thought it was Mary Poppins for a second. It could fly away. No, it can't. It cannot fly.
Enemy
Hey guys!
detected.
Beep,
Not
beep, I'm a
has been
Jeep.
updated.
I'm coming in hot. My voice broke. I know it did. I don't care. Hey! Just passing by. Bye, Jeep.
Enemy presence detected. The map has been updated.
Already, God, I can't do anything stealth. Alright, let's just get this and get it over with. You guys don't know where I'm at, too, so that's the cool thing. Y'all think y'all know where I'm at, but I'm not even there anymore. So, I'm going to go around. This place is so sparse with soldiers. Yeah, of course you lost visual. I'm not there anymore. She's Jeez, I'm not even there yet. I wonder if there's a way to disable the siren. Alright. Okay. So one of these buildings. Let's down, take a look-see. Whoa, I saw that. Oh crap, there's still one more. There we go, taken care of. Ooh, can I ride that? Can I get in it? Dude, I want that. I'm going for it. Can I ride you? Oh, man. That sucks. Oh well. What is this? Oh, I guess I could shoot that and it blows everything up. That's cool, I guess. What is that supposed to be? Something. Oh, I'm not even in the right area anymore. Oh. Is it in this building right here? There. You're finding a lot of people. You need to calm down.
Here we go.
Yay. Oh, well, since that was so quick. Uh-oh.
Extraction arrived at Metabase.
That was hilarious. At least, I thought it was funny. Okay, well, since that was done so quickly, I'm going to do the one in Africa as well. Might as well. 3 in a row. It's the... Oh, wait, no, it's this one right here. The Gun Cam Defender. Alright. I'm going to... Boop, and I'm done. Helicopter, pick up.
Please select a landing zone.
Oh, it's way back there.
The support
Okay, well,
helicopter
looks like I'm getting a
requested.
vehicle, because I do not feel like running again. Boop. 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 Yeah, that reflex time saves me a lot. Ah, come back, I'm right here.
Arriving shortly at LZ. This is Pequot. Have arrived at LZ. Will stand by.
I'm coming. I'm slow.
Support helicopter has arrived.
Beep, beep, on my truck. Move. Get out of my way. Oh, I ran him over. Didn't mean to. You know what? I want my Jeep. I'm picky. I want my Jeep because D-Dog ain't got nowhere to sit in that. So, this, you can curl up and lay down and be all comfy and stuff in the passenger seat. Oh God! What's going on? What are you doing?
This is Pequot. No targets remaining. Ending attack run and will stand by at LZ. This is Pequot.
Oh God!
At LZ.
I should never try. I'm serious. I said this in one of my other videos.
Support helicopter has arrived.
Yes, I jumped out when it was not even moving. Oh god. Alright. Off to, crap, I forgot where I was going. Oh, off to Africa. There we go.
Gaining altitude.
Yay! Bye, Jeep. Bye. Oh. Hey, Pooch, how you doing? You doing good? Everything's nice? Okay, cool. Let's go on. Let's do this. I'm actually not tired. Like I said, it's almost 2:30 in the morning and stuff, but I'm not really tired. I just had a couple friends do a Hey guys.
Detected. The map has been updated.
Bye guys. I just had a couple of friends just get you doing a 24-hour live Twitch stream.
Careful down there, boss.
They're actually pretty cool. I'll post a link in the description to their Twitch. They're always streaming, like all the time. The only time that they don't stream is when they go to sleep, but other than that, they hardly really ever sleep. There's 4 people that live in the house, and they're all amazing. They've actually played League of Legends with me. I met them through League of Legends. I met them in ARAM, and
Enemy presence
I play
detected.
ARAM just to mess
The map
around. I
has
don't
been
like,
updated.
I'm not gonna say I don't like League of Legends, but woo! Oh, good lord! League of Legends, it's okay, but a lot of people take it too seriously, and
Enemy presence
I like to
detected.
have fun.
The map
That's pretty
has
much all
been
it is.
updated.
Games are made to have fun. Games aren't made to like crack your
Disrupt
drawers.
communications between
I hit-
enemy
I hit
outposts
the
by
wrong
destroying
button.
comms equipment.
Sorry.
That'll prevent one post from sending reinforcements to another.
Oh god, I missed. Didn't miss that time. But yeah, they're really cool guys. They do a lot of cooking. They do a lot of crafting. The main guy, one of the guys and stuff, he does a lot of programming. He's really good at it. And he does a lot of 8-bit art. He actually just got through doing some 8-bit art. It was really impressive. He did like a lot of Yoshi's, the Mario
The map has been
1-Up
updated.
mushroom, the growth mushroom, I guess what you would call it, the red one. And I think he did Bowser was the last thing he was doing. And they're really good guys. But yeah, I'm gonna link their page in the description when I'm done. And go send them a follow because they're awesome. Okay, let's check this out over here. Oh, got that. Now, once again, if the glare is too much on my glasses, I'm going to be moving my desk around this weekend. I was going to do it last weekend, but I didn't really have time. A lot of stuff was happening, plus I wasn't really feeling good, so I didn't want to do much of anything. So, I'm going to do that this weekend. And I can't wait. Like, the way I want to have it is going to be a lot better. Where are the blueprints? No, that's not it. Hopey. Dang, dog, don't be scaring me like that. Do this sneaky like. Yes, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Yes, you did. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your cooperation. I will... Oh, no, never mind. I thought there was a tape in there for me. Take it back. I'm sorry. Okay, it's probably up here. I can stop crouching now. There's nobody in range. Biological material. I got enough of this. I don't know why I keep grabbing it, but it is what it is.
Clouds approaching.
Oh, there you are.
Side object.
Yay,
Side
gun cam
ops list
defender.
Updated. Extraction arrived at Mother Base.
Okay, let's go ahead and call the chopper and get out of here.
Please select a landing zone.
Oh man. Let's see, where am I? It's easier to get to this.
A support helicopter
Roger.
requested.
Hey guys. Why do you have exclamation marks over your head?
This is Pequod. Arriving shortly at LZ.
Ah, there we go. What you doing to my Jeep?
Have arrived at LZ. Will stand by.
Well, I don't know how
Support
this got
helicopter has
here.
arrived.
What's a Jeep doing in the middle of nowhere? Well, that's just... Damn it. There's a Jeep in the way. What? No, you didn't. Oh, you bastards. Blew my Jeep up. Suck. Both of you suck. That was 3 side missions in a row. I would do more, but I actually do have to get some sleep. I'm planning on... I'm probably going to do another one of these tomorrow. Kind of catch up on what I missed last week. I know it's not... I don't have to do it, but I want to do it. I enjoy it. I enjoy making videos for people. I enjoy, you know, the chance of making somebody smile or laugh at whatever I'm doing. Like the Cry of Fear, the only reason why I wanted to play that was because I scream like a girl in a lot of situations. You can ask any of my friends and they'll probably tell you that they'll probably make fun of me about it, more than likely. But I play it because the shock value. I know the shock value makes people smile. I know when I watch people play scary games and I see them get scared, it kind of makes me laugh at the same time as them getting scared. You know, it's humor, but it's how they do it, and I'm hoping to get better at it. Like I said, I'm still kind of new in front of this camera. I still tense up a little bit. I'm afraid that I'm gonna mess up, and I know there's editing out there, but you don't want to have to do like the same thing 4,000 or 5,000 times and stuff because you messed up and got tongue twisted, and it's just a mess. I know like half my videos and stuff I always end with a vlog or something like that pretty much, but I just want to express, you know, my thanks to the people who have subscribed so far, and I promise this is going to get better. It could only get better from here. But I am going to do another Metal Gear Solid video tomorrow. Again, if you want me to do a any of the main missions and something like that, let me know in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to go back, because I mean, I really haven't haven't really done
Please select a
that
mission.
much. I mean, it literally took from here 32 to 1 was Act 1, and I don't want to, this isn't really ruining it for anybody, but it's, I don't know how many acts are in this game, but Lord, this is going to be a long game if it is what I think it is. So, I mean, if anybody wants me to go back and show them how to do something or how I did something, this game's it's not hard at all. And like I said in one of my other videos, there's not a cookie cutter way of doing this. You can do it any other way you want. Like, it doesn't really matter how you do it as long as you get it done. Like, most people like to go in on quiet, stealth light, and extract as many people as they can, or go in and just try to melee people or CQC them to death or something like that. Some people go in guns blazing like I do. I try to be quiet and I try to be subtle, but I end up screwing everything up because I'm me. I'm special and I can't help it. But yeah, if you want me to see, or if you want me to show you how I did something, or if you just want to watch me act retarded, then by all means, tell me in the description, or not the description, tell me in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to go back and do any of these. It doesn't really matter to me. I don't mind doing it. The only one that I'm gonna have a problem with is Sahelanthropus. That's a tongue twister, but that's only because he is a pain in the butt. I think I died once, but it literally took me 15 to 20 minutes just on the battle alone. And I don't know, it was fun, but it was a pain in the same time. But anyways, I'm going to end this video here. Once again, I'm going to do another one tomorrow. I'm going to do another Cry of Fear tomorrow as well, so this is probably going to be 2 videos uploaded tomorrow. This one was supposed to be on Tuesday. Actually, I'm sorry. I'm going to do 2 videos on Wednesday. This one that I'm doing now was supposed to be on Tuesday. I had planned on it, but as soon as I got home from work, I slept. I crashed. I passed out on the bed, and I didn't wake up until 8:30. So, I'm actually doing it at 2 in the morning Wednesday, so it's going to be uploaded when I get home from work, which is somewhere after 3, because I don't know what we're doing. But, again, I know I don't have there's no set in stone, you have to put a video up. I enjoy it. I enjoy having content out for people to watch, and, you know, so they can critique it or do whatever, watch it, laugh at it, get mad, I don't know. But I'm rambling too much, so I'm going to end this video here. So if you like this video, subscribe if you want, and I'll see you guys in the next video.